Hello, I'm Liz. I'm an architect specialized in interiors, and here in Servànt I focus on systems. A system is everything that's highly customizable, for example, kitchens, wardrobes, bookshelves, bar units, living systems. And today I'm going to show you a little bit of the process, how it all starts, the development of the project, and then the final result. So we work in different ways. We can work directly with a private client, or we can partner with interior design and architecture studios, even with real estate and developers. And we do the project from scratch, or we can have a project to use as a base. Since we are a specialty, we can do everything since the beginning, even when the construction didn't start yet, or we also work with renovations. So the work that we do here is very broad. To illustrate, we have this very beautiful project in Comporta using one of the premium kitchens that Molteni has, a VVD by Vincent van Duysen. So to develop a premium kitchen, we usually follow 5 steps. So we start with the concept, and so for this project we had a mood board and a plan to work with, and here we can see a little bit of the materials that were used in the surrounding. For this project we are going with the green marble that was chosen by the client, and with a dark wood, which is going to be eucalyptus. The second step, following a few hand sketches, is to design the kitchen using Molteni software, which is Pigreco. And here we can construct the kitchen using all the modules. For example, this is a premium kitchen, VVD kitchen. So I'm going to use all of the modules from VVD kitchen, but adapting to the client's space. The third step is to develop a beautiful 3D model with everything that's inside the kitchen, the appliances, colors, finishes, everything. The fourth step is to create rendered images, so the client is able to visualize how it's going to be, like the closest possible to reality. Once the design is approved by the client, we move on to the last step, which is to provide the detailed execution drawings for the assembly and installation of the kitchen. And we also take care of that part, so we have our own installers and we do the supervision of the work, so we guarantee that everything is going to be perfectly executed. The site is still under construction, but when it's time to install the kitchen, I'm going to take you with me so we can show you how everything is going to be installed, assembled, and the final result.